Okay, let's go over how to graph in slope-intercept form. And this is obviously in slope-intercept form. The 3 is the slope, and the -4 is the y-intercept. So what we're going to do first is you always start with b, and that is -4. So we're going to go, there's -1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to start right here, okay? Next, 3, you can rewrite that as 3 over 1, and it's positive. You always read from left to right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go over 1 and place a point. Then we're going to just repeat. We're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go over 1. And we can continue to repeat this. 1, 2, 3, over 1. Then what you can do is go ahead and draw a line, okay? And you have your line, okay? So there's example 1. As a recap, remember, this is your slope, this is your y-intercept. If you have a whole number, place it over 1, and then start putting your points. Let's look at another example. Okay, again, we have our slope, we have our y-intercept. This time we have a positive y-intercept of 3, but we have a fraction here. So let's look at what we do, and it's also negative. So let's begin with the y-intercept, which is 3, okay? And this time we're going to go down 2 and then 3 to the right, okay? Because it's negative, and remember, you're reading left to right, so it's going to go downward. So let's do that. So we're going to go down 2, 1, 2, and then over 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to go down 2, 1, 2, over 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll repeat one more time. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we will connect the lines, and we will see what it looks like. Let me get it just right. Okay. Okay. So, and here is this, and notice that it's sloping down. It's got negative slope.